Before we get into today's video, guys, please make sure to go ahead and smash that subscribe button to stay up to date with all my amazing Minecraft videos. Hey guys, welcome back to another video with your main man, Smooth Marky, and in today's video, I'm going to be heading to the Roblox dimension. That's right, guys, and this is probably going to be the most amazing dimension I've ever headed to in like my whole entire life. Like, this is probably going to be the most amazing, guys. But what you're going to need to head to this dimension is you're going to need 20 white wool. You want to go ahead and you want to place 5 of them on the ground, just like so, guys. Then you're going to need fur red wool. You want to go ahead and place one of those on each side, just like that, guys. And then place another one on this side. Boom, there you go. Now you just want to go ahead and jump on up. And then you want to place 1, 2, 3 fur, 5 white wool, and then 1 red wool on top. Now you just want to go ahead and you want to jump on down, son of a turkey, but wow, we landed on it. And then you just want to go ahead and place 5 white wool on this side, 5 white wool in the middle, guys, and then 1 red wool, guys. And now you can just go ahead and you can jump on down and take a look at this absolutely amazing, humongous frame you have just created. Now you just want to go ahead, take your flint and steel, and boom! Wow, don't that look absolutely amazing? Wow, guys, that looks so amazing. That would definitely make me want to scroll down and smash that red subscribe button so I could stay updated with all my latest and greatest Minecraft videos for the rest of my life. But wow! Oh my god, here we are, guys. And oh my god, look at all these Robloxians? Is that what they call them? Roadblocks people? What is your name, bro? I know these guys ain't John Doe, because John Doe has a certain face. I just hope I don't run into him in this dimension, because he would probably put some hands on me. But whoa! Oh my god, is this guy taking a bath in the fountain? Oh my gosh, this is such a great idea. I don't know why I didn't think of this earlier. What do you think, Pig? Oh my god, Pig! Why is there bubbles coming from you? Oh my god, he's farting! He's farting in the fountain! Oh my god! Oh wow, that stinks. Oh, I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. Wow, I cannot believe he just did that. But whoa, they got a picnic going over here. Oh my god, guys, I love picnics. I love picnics so much. You know what? I'm going to go ahead and throw my enchanted golden apples down so my pig can have a picnic with whoever he wants in this park, guys. It don't matter who he has a picnic with, but I'm going to go ahead and get out of here. Just make sure you have a good time, Pig. I'm going to leave them to watch you. Hopefully they do watch him and they don't let him get out of control. But let's go ahead and try to find a mansion, guys. Oh my god, I think this is the one. Wow, that is an absolutely humongous mansion. Oh my god. Whoa, what is in here? This must be the yoga room. This must be where they do all their yoga. And then, oh my god, what's in this room? Oh my god, this must be their garage. And I was expecting them to have a really, really nice car. But you know what? I'm going to go ahead and make them the Roblox mobile. That's right, guys. It's going to be cool. It's going to be epic. Wow, that is nice. That is really nice. Let me just go and put the tire on. And wow, look at that. I'm going to add a little extra back. Wow, that is really, really nice. Let's go ahead and see what's upstairs, guys. And whoa, what a view. What a view. Oh my god, I think that Roblox dude is trying to escape this dimension. But whoa. Oh my god, unless he's trying to go and meet up with this lady right there. Wow. They might be trying to have a secret love out back of this mansion. Wow, I do not think their dad right there would approve of that. But you know what? I'm going to go ahead and start your car so you can go and get them. Yeah, you can just go and get them and catch them in the act. And oh my god, whoa! Oh my god, and wow, I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. I didn't expect it to do that. I kind of did, guys. I kind of did. But wow, they have a McDonald's? Oh my gosh. Wow! They actually have a McDonald's. And oh my god, they have a bunch of ovens that they unfortunately will not let me in. Wow, I bet there's probably like Big Macs and chicken nuggets and french fries and like, wow, I cannot believe this, guys. I cannot believe this at all. And oh my god, they even have a drive-thru? Wow, that is amazing. That is absolutely amazing, guys. But unfortunately, nobody is coming through the drive-thru. You know what? I'll go ahead and make a vehicle. So, it looks like somebody is trying to drive through the drive-thru, guys. It's just not nighttime. Their busiest time is at nighttime, and it just ain't nighttime. So, we got to kind of make them look busy. Let's go ahead and shut that back. And also, let's go ahead and fix this drive-thru for them. Just so when nighttime comes around, they can pick up business and start slinging those Big Macs. But, whoa, what are they doing in here, guys? It looks like they're trying to get up a basketball game. I'm like the greatest basketball player ever. Especially in Minecraft, guys. So I better just go ahead and show these guys how to play. So you know what you guys do? What you guys do is you want to go ahead and you want to run and slam dunk. Whoa, did you guys see that? Let's go ahead and do this again. Boom, slam dunk. Did you guys see that? Wow, ain't I so cool, guys? What, I'm not cool? Well, you know what? Boom. Watch, I'm about to blow it up. Boom, I just broke their hoop. Oh, wow. That was like a perfect box though. Like that very rarely happens. Like, wow, that's really cool. But what are you guys talking about? I'm supposed to be in Minecraft. I'm not supposed to be in Roblox? I deserve to be in Roblox just as much as you guys deserve to be in Roblox. Yeah, and if you guys want to watch some really good videos, really entertaining videos, go ahead and subscribe to Smooth Marky on YouTube and watch all my videos because I'm like the greatest YouTuber ever, guys. Like, trust me, Robloxians, I am. But you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to blow up this basketball court, guys, because they're kind of being rude to me. They're kind of being mean to me. So let's go ahead and see what happens. Hopefully I go flying way up into the air, guys. Maybe to like the Roblox moon. That would be pretty cool, guys. But here we go. Oh my god. Oh my god. Whoa. That could have not went better for me, guys. I like landed right on one of their houses. That was pretty cool. But if you guys did enjoy this video, which I know you did, please make sure to like, comment, and most importantly, smash that red subscribe button. And until next time, thanks for watching, guys. Bye.